toaster in. I'm a broken man, I am not supposed to live. My heart's trapped in a cage, I grab my tools and start to open it. I can feel the demon trying to crawl out my throat again. This won't kill me, no, not yet. I cannot forgive what I will never forget. Ice cold skin, soaked in sweat, blood drenched, clothes wet, open wounds in my flesh. Cigarette burns on my wrist like a bracelet. Rope around my neck, I'm hanging out in the basement. Nope, I am not dead yet, I cannot die and I hate it. Put a bullet in my head for my own entertainment. Kill me, motherfucker, kill me. Oh yeah. Kill me, motherfucker, kill me. Oh yeah. Kill me, motherfucker, kill me. Oh yeah. Put a motherfucking bullet in my head, bitch. Kill me, motherfucker, kill me. Oh yeah. Kill me, motherfucker, kill me. Oh yeah. Kill me, motherfucker, kill me. Oh yeah. I can't die 'cause I'm already dead, bitch.
How the fuck you gon' kill me? You ain't got the smarts, you a dumb hillbilly. Redneck, and it might sound silly. Killed him up in Arkansas, body found in Philly. Hold on, vegan cheesesteak. I was fiending for it, so I brought his corpse on the interstate. Yeah, let me demonstrate. Talking about you hot till them bullet holes ventilate. Thought you would've killed me. Ain't that what you said, bitch? Grew up on a blue block, but I'm seeing red, bitch. All I know is pop, pop, pop at your head, bitch. Can't kill me, 'cause I'm already dead, bitch.
Oh, yeah. Kill me, motherfucker, kill me. Oh yeah. Kill me, motherfucker, kill me. Oh yeah. Kill me, motherfucker, kill me. Oh yeah. Put a motherfucking bullet in my head, bitch. Kill me, motherfucker, kill me. Oh yeah. Kill me, motherfucker, kill me. Oh yeah. Kill me, motherfucker, kill me. Oh yeah. I can't die 'cause I'm already dead, bitch.
Lazy and crazy.
Anamoya.
Low-key, why the fuck you so villainous? 'Cause I'm in love with dead drugs and wicked shit. Why the fuck you so villainous? I just came to sip blood and kill a bitch. Why the fuck you so villainous? 'Cause I'm the king of this hellfire imagery. And we keeping it villainous. It's Halloween and the ghosts are out. Flow cold, the ghostly with the frozen mouth. The underground been broke, I'ma hold it down. And anybody in my way, yeah, we choked him out. Local Valley beat the insidious repertoire. Welcome to my villainous seminar. First you cut to pieces, then we eat you in the reservoir. Except a couple teeth that we've been keeping in the preacher in the mason jar. Now it's motherfucking dinner time. Feast on the weak and the meek and the simple mind. You want your adrenal gland till I'm just a little high. Then we gon' skydive off of a high rise just to feel alive. Lokezilla with the death lace mayhem. Grip this entire city twisted in fate's hand. Subterranean monster with the blade jammed straight through your face. Then we chop you to steak, man.
You can't tolerate it, violated by a maniac. Sitting lax, fast track, all facts. So you really don't see me, you're a snack, no cap. Try to reach for that black motherfucker, you ain't coming back. Yes, I'm villainous, ROC killing it. Let them know, hide your children and women. 'Cause when I begin the show, masses of ligaments fit them like that into every flow. The bodies make more for mashing, you must be ready to throw. Hands up, keep still, pose like a poster. Hold your loved ones close, you'll be needing closure. Bombs over Baghdad, giving you exposure. Blow your beam to smithereens, I'm the soldier. Ready for war, I'll stop your grip your neck like lobsters. Leave the scene like mobsters, going blam, blam. Ring alarms, warn you to get a head start, falter. And you'll die, no coffin, should've ran.
You know, sometimes when I'm out and about, just walking around minding my own business, and a motherfucker will walk up to me and be like, hey yo, look, I got a question for you. Low-key, why the fuck you so villainous? 'Cause I'm in love with dead drugs and wicked shit. Why the fuck you so villainous? I just came to sip blood and kill a bitch. Why the fuck you so villainous?
'Cause I'm the king of this hellfire, is imminent.
5 minutes and we keeping it villainous.
I'm the key to the whole castle. The sleeves with a cold shadow. At ease, I'm an old admiral eating whole Adderall. Tease with no sleeves. I'm radical, impractical, joker, infected your emphatical system. A victim, bitches get bitten by 3 of the greatest. Listen, I drink my coffee black, blacker than lost souls, leaving your phone cracked. We're keeping your toe tagged. Didn't really wanna go there, feeling excited up in my gonads, so rad. Murder you with a double barrel dose, tubular dude. Too many loose screws, juice too. Now fit the glove, making buku. I hit the graveyard and uproot you. Toot your horn, funeral porn, no dues paid. Alaskan Malamute, chewing your head inside of an igloo.
Hold up, dude, how you gonna give him 14 bars and leave him hanging like that? Why don't you come back in and give him 8 more bars? The fury up in this motherfucker.
Dark passenger massacre start after a slasher flick. Heart trapped in an actress part. Blasphemous ravenous spark madness. Back in the day, hapless victims unhappily stuffed in a mattress. It's a disastrous practice. Put an egg under the bed. I'm like the fruit from a cactus. I'm not built for the masses. I get a scoop from the Catholics. Sweet talking in my rose-colored glasses. A prince of Halloween, kung fu vampire. I stay gas.
Low-key, why the fuck you so feeling this? Cause I'm in love with death, drugs, and wicked shit. Why the fuck you so feeling this? I just came to sip blood and kill a